How to lock any app in Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to lock any app in Android phone. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch settings on your Android device. Tap the search bar at top of the screen and type in app. Wait for a while until all the options gets loaded on the section. Scroll down and tap App Lock. Then you will get access to this section. If you don't find this tree, simply scroll down. Tap Privacy and tap Privacy next to Permissions. Select App Lock. Enter your privacy password and make sure that you toggle the on button for the top right corner of the app lock if it is toggled off. Once done, scroll down and select the app that you want to lock. Suppose if I want to lock Messenger application, toggle the button on and next to all you will find locked option. Select that and here you will see all the list of your locked app. Let's get back. Try opening the Messenger app. In order to access your Messenger app, you have to enter the privacy password. If you want to uninstall it, you can tap and hold, and when you tap on the trash button, you have to unlock it before uninstalling them. So that is how we can easily unlock any application in Android phone. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.